Hey everyone, welcome back to Want to Step. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your LinkedIn profile from your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to open the LinkedIn app. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app and at the top left corner, you can see your user icon. Tap on it and tap on the view profile right below your username. Once you do that, on your screen right below your username, you can see there's open to, add sections, enhance profile, etc. Right beside add section, there's 3-button option. Tap on it and a prompt will appear saying send profile in a message, share via, contact info about this profile. Tap on share via and you can copy the link, and guys, that's it. You can share the link through any social media to share your LinkedIn profile. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.